Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony SoundConnect application, and if you add your headphones to the application, you will see it in the application. Now, scroll down and go to device settings. Then at the top go to the system, and again we need to scroll down and you need to locate update software at the bottom. Now click the settings icon at the bottom of this line, at the right bottom of this line, and then click at the update status. And it checked for updates and it said that I have the last software version. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!